You guys are gonna love this recipe. Today I'm making costillas de res en salsa tatemada. For this recipe, we're gonna start off by making the salsa. I'll be roasting 3 roma tomatoes, 3 jalapeños, 4 tomatillos, and 4 garlic cloves. Make sure to roast on all sides. It's been 8 minutes, they're ready, and I'm gonna add them to the blender. Last, 3 chiles de arbol. These I'm only gonna roast for a few seconds because they burn fast. They're ready, and we add them to the blender. And I'm also gonna add salt and 1 tablespoon of beef Better Than Bouillon. Now we blend. For the meat, I'll be using 2.5 pounds of beef ribs, and I'm gonna cut them into pieces just like this. Now in a pan set to medium heat, we add the meat. Season with pepper, salt, mix it in, cover and cook for about 40 to 50 minutes. Make sure to open it and stir it occasionally. The meat has been cooking for about 50 minutes, and now we're gonna fry for a couple of minutes more until it fries evenly. It's ready, but first we remove some of the excess oil. Now we can add the salsa. Mix, cover, and cook for a couple of minutes more so that the salsa thickens. After about 10 minutes, our costillas are ready. This recipe is so delicious, guys, but if you prefer pork, you can always use pork ribs instead. Now I'm gonna serve myself. I like to pair it with beans and some Mexican red rice. I already have a recipe for this rice on my page, so check it out. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Guys, these are so delicious. If you've never tried this is your moment to try it. They're not super spicy. I would say about a 6 or a 5, but if you want them less spicy for your kids, you can always just not add the chiles de arbol. Those are the ones that make it a little bit spicier. You can make them with pork as well. They'll go perfect. And there you have it, delicious costillas de res en salsa tatemada. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.